Are you tired of spending too much time reading over each and every label to see which cabinet parts go to which cabinet? Do you have employees who maybe don't speak English? To help combat this problem and increase your productivity, Thermwood has developed two new features for our control nesting. The first feature is color-coded labels. Every label now has a specific color printed on it pertaining to each cabinet. All you or your employees have to do is stack the color-coded label in an appropriate stack, and all the parts for each cabinet are right at hand. For example, here you see two cabinets laid out on the table. Cabinet 1 is the red label and Cabinet 2 is the blue label. Before color-coded labels, sorting these two cabinets could be a time-consuming process. With our new color-coded labels, the sorting of these two cabinets happens much easier. You simply stack the cabinets with red labels in one pile and the cabinets with blue labels in another pile. Once you have each cabinet in its own stack, you are ready to assemble the cabinets. Our second new feature is called Assembly Marks. This is a patent-pending technology that is an addition to our eCabinet system software as well as our CNC machines. Assembly marks aid in the assembly of cabinets by applying unique identifying marks to the tenon and dado for both blind and full dado construction. When assembling a cabinet with assembly marks, you simply match up the corresponding marks on each component of the cabinet. These marks are in sequence, with 1 matching with 1, 2 to 2, 3 to 3, and so on. This eliminates the extra time that is normally taken up by having to refer to an assembly diagram when putting a cabinet together, which can increase production time. It also allows less skilled workers or employees with no English language skills to successfully and quickly assemble cabinets. As you can see, the cabinet in this example is going together quickly and easily by using a combination of Thermwood's color-coded labels and assembly marks. The normal time to assemble a cabinet like this without assembly marks is around 5 or 6 minutes. With assembly marks, we are able to assemble it in about 1 to 2 minutes. Compare that to how long assembly takes with your own application, and you can see how your savings can grow with this new feature. Assembly marks are a patent-pending technology available only from Thermwood Corporation for use on a Thermwood CNC router. For more information on this and any of our other advanced features or CNC routers, please visit us at www.thermwood.com.